Looking for an all-in-one WordPress communication tool? Meet HelpGent, a personalized asynchronous communication plugin for WordPress with video, voice, and text messaging features with screen recording facility. Want to communicate face-to-face without real-time restrictions? Use HelpGent's video messaging feature to send personalized videos. Want to visually display solutions, provide step-by-step directions, or explain complex issues? Use HelpGent's screen recording feature to record your voice and screen. Want to convey your message with real emotions and tone? Use HelpGent's voice messaging feature for effective communication. Need to send a good old-fashioned text message? HelpGent's text messaging feature allows users to send and receive text messages with an asynchronous twist. That's not all. With advanced feature, you can connect your HelpGent account with Google Drive to store your files. It also offers directorist integration to create more leads and conversions. Don't settle for less when you can have it all. Upgrade to HelpGent's communication system today and get the early bird lifetime deal for a limited time.